Alright, today I'll be winterizing my mower. First thing I'm going to do is wash the deck. My deck has a wash port where I just hook up this nozzle to the garden hose and I'll turn on the water and run it for a while. Alright, so I got the mower running. Now I'm going to engage the deck. I'm going to lower the deck down to about a 4. I'm going to run that for about 10 minutes and then shut it off. Alright, so it finished running for about 10 minutes. You can see a lot of big clumps came out. So now what we're going to do is drain all the gas out of the gas tank and out of the carburetor. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is take this hose off that goes into the carburetor. And I'm going to drain the gas into this gas tank. This hose is a little tight, so I'll just let that drain. Alright, so all the gas is drained. So I'm going to hook this hose back up. Put the clip back on. And now I'm just going to run the motor until it runs the rest of the gas that's in the carburetor. Alright, so I ran the rest of the gas through. So now what I'm going to do is take off this solenoid for the carburetor and drain the gas out of the carburetor. So first you're going to pull the wires, pull the plug, and then this is a 1/2 wrench. Just let that drain. And then I'll take off the bowl, which is 2 Phillips screws. Alright, so I can't get the bowl off because in order to get this back screw off, you gotta take off the oil filter. So what I'm gonna do is just spray a little bit of carb cleaner up in the bottom of the carburetor and clean it out. Then I'll let that dry and I'll put the bottom bolt back on. Alright, now I'm going to put the solenoid back on. You don't need to tighten it too tight, just snug it up. Put the wire back on. And now I'll fire it up one more time just to make sure there's no more gas in the carburetor. Alright, so that's how you winterize your lawnmower, so you can make sure it will start right back up in the spring again. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.